Dreaming of studying in the US or Canada, but worried about financing your education? This video will break down the Mpower Financing education loan application process, step by step, making your study abroad dreams a reality. First, head over to mpowerfinancing.com. The link is also in the description box below. Next, locate and click the Apply Now button, typically found in a prominent location on the homepage, often in the upper right corner. This will take you to the initial application form. Here, you'll provide your basic personal information, including your name, email address, phone number, and country of citizenship. Make sure to double-check everything for accuracy. Next, you'll enter details about your education, including the university you plan to attend, the program you've been accepted into, and your expected graduation date. Be precise with this information. Carefully consider your financial needs and specify the loan amount you require. It's essential to research and determine the exact amount required to cover your tuition, living expenses, and other costs. Now, gather all the necessary documents for submission, including a copy of your passport, your university acceptance letter, and academic transcripts. Having these ready beforehand will streamline the process. Before submitting your application, meticulously review all the information you provided to ensure everything is accurate and complete. Then, click Submit. Congratulations, you've successfully submitted your Mpower Financing education loan application. Now, just wait for Mpower's decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips on funding your education abroad. #education loan #Mpower Financing.